If you remember last week, I shared with y'all that I was officially discharged from parole as of August 17th. That was one of the happiest, most emotional moments of my life. But here's the thing. Nobody called me. Nobody notified me. For weeks, they had me thinking I was still reporting until October 14th. That's the harsh reality of how broken the system is. They'll move heaven and earth to make sure you show up when you're late. They'll send letters. They'll send warrants. They'll blow your phone up if you mess up. But when it comes to something positive, when it comes to freedom, when it comes to your life, silence. No call, no letter, nothing. And this is exactly why I say the system needs reform. It's not just the time they take from you. It's the negligence, the lack of humanity, the lack of accountability. So I'm using my voice to shed light on it, because freedom shouldn't come with confusion. It should come with clarity, dignity, and respect. So with that being said, I need everyone who's watching this video to tag reform. These are the type of stories we need to keep shedding light on. Follow Made Up North NYC and Off the Count podcast.